Putoline Oil has been a highly respected manufacturer of lubricants since 1970. Our products are delivered to professionals all over the world. In off-road and road applications. The process starts with the right base materials. On arrival, all raw materials are delivered to the correct place. The additives are stored in specially heated containers. After checking, the base materials are approved for production. Of course, Putoline Oil products meet the OEM requirements. Our R&D specialists continuously optimize all formulations. As a result, we are able to present innovative improvements. The base materials then move on to the process of blending, where they are transformed into lubricants. Our laboratory is involved during the entire process. Only 100% approved samples trigger the green light for the filling lines. Putoline Oil supplies all types and sizes of packaging. The bag-in-box is an example of sustainable packaging. Together with our suppliers, we are continuously making our packaging lines more sustainable. The packaging is equipped with the correct oil, cap, and labels. The thousands of different labels are stored under climate-controlled conditions. The final products are then packaged into boxes. Drums and barrels are prepared for shipment and provided with labels. Awaiting worldwide distribution, the products move to the warehouses, where they are stored in a safe and climate-controlled area. All orders are picked by experienced staff members. Large and small packaging formats are prepared for shipment to customers in our export markets. In the meantime, marketing and sales are working on optimal saleability of the products, international brand recognition and image. The technical marketing department is always ready to provide knowledge and speedy solutions. The Putoline website offers the most efficient lubricant advice tool for all its customers. Via an API data service, even customers can gain access to all this data. All Putoline Oil teams have been working passionately around the globe for many years on the brand's formula for success. The quality of the products and the organization is guaranteed, both in the local markets as well as in the many export markets. We are Putoline Oil. We are driven by technology.